Hi everyone, and welcome to the Chef's Kitchen, where Ingles caters some of the best events anywhere. I'm Josh Michael here with Chef Kale, and today we're showing you how to make some amazing food right there at home. So Chef Kale, these grapes, we got some cheese. What are we doing today?
We're gonna do a grape chutney.
A grape, what does chutney mean?
It's any kind of relish or spread that you use with fruit.
Okay, excellent.
Okay?
All right.
So this is gonna feel weird.
Okay.
I'm gonna warn you right now. So we got red and green grapes.
Excellent, I
that
love
we just
grapes.
Peeled off. Go ahead and give me some ground thyme.
Ground thyme, all of it?
Yeah.
All right, ground thyme. Thyme. I wouldn't have thought of thyme in with grapes, but okay.
All right, salt.
Salt. All right.
Some roasted pepper.
Excellent.
Go ahead and hit me with some olive oil.
Olive oil. All right.
And some red wine vinegar. Like I said, this
that's different.
Right.
It's different. Yeah.
feels weird. It's going to be amazing.
All right.
So this is something I do when my in-laws are in town and I need to impress.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So we're going to just throw that on our sheet pan.
All right. Just spread it. Just throw it on there.
There you
spread
go.
it out. All right.
450 degrees for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Sounds good. All right.
So I will switcheroo.
We'll do the power of TV here.
And it comes out looking like this.
Okay. Oh, nice. That's different.
Right.
I like that.
So this is a really fun spread to do when you have a really fun cheese like Cambozola.
Yeah.
Now, for those of you at home that don't know, you can get this at the deli. Cambozola is part brie and it has a blue cheese veins in
Excellent.
it.
So good. I love it.
So if you want to grab a dipper,
Okay.
these are
cool
little,
too.
yeah, these are little naan breads that you can get at the deli as well.
All right.
So we have that.
And you're just going to top it with that. That's
Throw some
simple
of this, and just when you think you're done, you're not.
enough. Okay.
So you get a little honey.
Excellent.
And truffle oil is like bad dad jokes. You just need 1 or 2 drops and then you're done, right?
Very limited amount.
So
I see what you did
just
there.
a little bit of that.
All right.
And you really just go until it's fragrant.
Okay.
And after that, look at that.
Oh, fancy. Look at that.
3 minutes and your in-laws are more than impressed.
That is awesome. This is great. This is like, it looks so good. It's
Right.
obviously very simple to make, and your friends and family are going to think that you're a chef when you bring this.
That's
for
right.
the holidays.
And the great thing is truffle oil is a little, it's a little hard to find.
Okay.
Not when you go to Ingles.
Excellent.
Right there on the shelves next to all the olive oils.
Awesome. Great job, Chef Kale.
Thank you.
Thanks so much for joining us here at the Chef's Kitchen. For more great recipes and to learn about having the Chef's Kitchen cater your next event, visit us online at thechefskitchen.com. That's thechefskitchen.com.
Let's
See you
make
next
one more,
time.
huh?
Right, yeah. That's awesome. Throw a little bit of
The
cheese on there.
Cambozola. Go ahead and hit me with
All
that.
right, there we go. Love that.
Do you like truffle oil?
Yeah.
There we go.
Excellent. Love it.